What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at the brand new Nike Air Jordan 4s. These are the Breds, and they came out just a couple days ago. So first, we're gonna look at the box. So on it, you got Jordan, and then below it is like scribbled in, it says Flight. On this side, you have the Jordan Air right there, and then the cement print going around the entire bottom of the box. Right here, you have their size and everything, and another one of those. Give you a close-up of that. And also that's the side of the cement print. So now, let's take this off. And also, it's a lid, it's not like a flap like some shoeboxes are. So there's that. On the inside, it's red. And then in here, you have the garbage bag kind of material that most or all Jordan 4s have on their wrapping paper. And then, here you go, here's the shoe. I think this looks really great. I'll pull one out just for now. So I really like the look of the shoe. There's a Nike Air tag on it, and a lot of Jordan 4s and Jordan 3s and 5s, maybe even 6s come with these tags. I think that's a cool feature that they include on the Jordans. So again, this is the Bred colorway, so it's mainly black with some red accents. And there's also gray and white. On the back, you have the Nike Air. And I love that. And huge gray lettering. Then you have this little tab right here. And the white cardboard to keep up the shoe. There's a suede toe, and most of the upper is suede. And then there's the black cages on the side, like all Air Jordan 4s have. You have the Jordan Flight on the tongue right there. That looks pretty nice. And then black cotton laces and these black, I'm not really sure what to call them, but gray plastic or rubbery pieces that hold the top and the bottoms of the laces. On the bottom, it is kind of the front is mainly gray right here. And then the toe is red, and then some white right in front of it, or behind it. Then you have Nike right there, some white outlining it, some red. And you have the visible Air right there. That looks sweet. I really like this shoe. It was $200, which I think is pretty normal for Jordan 4s. And just a classic silhouette and a classic colorway. I think a lot of people are going to love this shoe and have loved the previous versions. And also, the Nike on the back is also super nice. So, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.